he said.
I had some issues with my old motor, so I'm actually running a 496 that I borrowed from my buddy. So it's a little under horsepower from where I was used to, but you know what? I'm out here, it's in my backyard, so we changed some gears to hopefully get up on top. We'll see what happens today.
A Sherpa, you never see those things. This thing is crazy. It actually float. So he thinks he's gonna come out the end of this thing. I got a feeling even if it floats, there's gonna be so much resistance on the bottom of that, you're gonna have a hell of a time getting through it. But he says he can do it. Let's see, he's gonna sell some service today if he does. There you go, put a beer in the passenger seat, and he's off. Blinding, blasting speed, flying through that thing. He's in second gear now. He drops the gear, still flying along. He's moving. That thing's still moving. Look at that, he's still going. That's right and sure. All you gotta do is get through this thing. He's steering it. Look at that. Bottom moving. Ain't no matter. He's still going. Let's see the guy. Show the big boys how to do it.
How's again? Jeremy Bond.
632 cubic inch, one Chevrolet.
Right on.
400 ton liters. Open chain drive.
Open chain drive. Cool. I noticed
Power glide.
2-speed power glide. Fast rig. This thing's never been crossed during competition. So I think today's they're going to be checking times. We're going to be checking times today.
Yeah, we're here.
Two things that you're gonna find out. She fights like a man and she cuts.
When we see old shitty first gens rotting away in a field.
It's a fucking gold mine down there. Come back for those cocksuckers later.
Alright, gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me. How I do it. Ready? Rock da 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 da. Rook turn. Another good time.
Cruising down a back road in a square body Chevy, sitting on 44s. Sitting on 44s. All the country girls wanna ride with me, 'cause I'm a crazy wild white boy. All the country girls wanna ride with me. What you know about rolling down in the deep when the rain goes numb and the earth to freeze? Talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean, ay. What you know about rolling down in the deep when the rain goes numb? You can call them to freeze when these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool, I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D., don't believe in T.H.O.T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for
awfully big. It's big.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run fast.
Another day in the ghetto. One look outside and I'm already upset, yo. It look about 102. It's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by a phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Hello, can I speak to Biggie? Yo, who this? Tanisha, your phone back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Watch up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old thing. Don't seem black scene now with the blue jeans. I seen the honey with the butt looking but it's strong. I know she looks better with them.
Crab walk. Use the hearse.
Fresh start made.
Yeah, look at this.
Fresh start made. Fresh start made.
Let me be abundantly clear. I'll say it louder for those in the back. Just because I have a vagina does not stop me from believing that my balls are bigger than yours.
Wanna be a logger, stick holler, backwood boy trying to make them dollars. Holler, getting paid tonight. The boss man tripping, told him take a hike. Train on the way, getting money the hard way. Gonna be a shitty day, a shitty day, a shitty day. I am in the zone where you can't stop it. Hitting in your body up is straight for the bin. So move out the way. I am a rider, provider. Bring the heat, girl, I will bring the fire. I'm a name keeps going worldwide. So my job is to satisfy you. Bring the heat, yes.
I'm laying it down, I'm just a country boy in a country town in the backwoods. You can try to sell, but we won't buy, we grow our own. Little mud on the tires, cause it's a good night. Be out there soaking up the moonlight. Place in mind.
When I pull up in the wind, they be saying goddamn. When I hop up with my shorty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they say I got bands, now they say I got bands. When I pull up in the wind, they be saying goddamn. When I hop up with my shorty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they say I got bands, now they say I got bands.
Time to clean the old girl. What the fuck? Oh, that's no bueno. This is the mount for the front. That's where it is now. Gonna power wash this thing, get her all nice and clean so we can build a cage, because that's what one in the comments is, a cage. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. No. That's what I was afraid of. No. Well, gotta clean it and fix it. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the worst power washer. So she's getting clean.
Turn it up. I wake up, put a dip in, crack a